Hi everybody and welcome to my video journal from yesterday's trades, Friday the 27th of September. My name is Michael. So let's get started. Yesterday I had 3 trades and not so much. That was in a period from, in a 3 hours period. So first we have the price here, as you can see. It's in a range from this resistance level to this support area here. And I started to get in the charts around here. When I opened the charts, I could see, let me draw my arrow. I could see the price has rejected from this resistance area, came back down and was grinding down. So I was primarily looking for a pullback and then long. And I used the trend line as my confirmation. As you can see, the stock was at the bottom, nothing on the RSI. But I waited until it broke the trend line, broke market structure here, and entered on the candle close. I had my CP up here at the top, and it nearly reached it, but not completely. So I took 50% off when it started to go back. And it continued all the way back. So that was a small win. And then I followed the price down. You can see here the red one is support level from this week and this week, two good rejections and also a little price range here. So I let the price do its thing, range here, and when it got up, I waited with longing until you can see here if I zoom a little bit in. So if I zoom a little bit in, you can see a price got up, very good bullish candle, broke this range here, which was the previous level, used it as support. I didn't enter the candle close. I let it go down, and when rejected, it came back up. I entered here. I had let the price go up here, and when it started to range here, I took 50% off again in profit. And moved my stop loss to break even, and price went down. It didn't take it here, went back up and took it here. So that was 2 trades with a win, a smaller win, and then price went down, make a very good pullback here again on this support level here. And here I longed at the candle open, price went up. I was very comfortable in this trade, so I didn't take profit here. But as you can see, that's why I have 0 here. The price wicked down and took my stop loss in break even by barely a tick, but that's what happened, and then continued up. That was 2 small wins for the day and 1 break even. Not much, but also within 3 hours it was okay. I'll see you again Monday when I make my video for Monday's trade, and can you all have a good weekend?